Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to get Dogecoin on the Trust Wallet app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First open the wallet section in the Trust Wallet app. Then as you can see here on the top of the screen you have send, receive, buy and trade. Tap on receive. And Dogecoin is going to be the second one on the list. And if you tap on it, you will get your Doge QR code, which you can show to anybody. And if they can scan this QR code, they can send you Dogecoin, or you can copy your Doge address and send it this way. And you can even set amount of Dogecoin if you want somebody to pay you, and send that link to anybody, and that way you will receive that set amount of Dogecoin, and they can use this link only to send the amount, no less, no more. As you can see, I typed in 4 trillion Dogecoins, and yeah, if I send this link to anybody, they can use it to send me 4 trillion Dogecoins. And there is also the share icon, and if you tap on it you can easily choose any platforms that you use and send the Doge there. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye.